Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to get the new Minecraft Earth beta completely for free on your Android or iOS device. You do not need to root or jailbreak your phone. This is completely for free, and after testing numerous methods, only this method that I'm about to show you worked for me. I've seen countless videos and it takes only a few minutes. Let me show you guys. Open up your Safari or Chrome browser and go to earthbeta.club. Earthbeta.club is the website, and once you're here, type in your email address. Here is where you'll receive the details about how you can download Minecraft Earth beta. Make sure it is the correct email address, and after you're done typing it, press connect. And now it's connecting to the Minecraft Earth beta servers. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, it has connected, and now select your platform. Mine is iOS, and now press download Minecraft Earth. Okay, and now the process has started. We should be receiving the Minecraft Earth beta game any second now. And let's see, before our system adds Minecraft to your iOS Google Play account, you will need to pass this human verification. Yes, this sometimes happens. From what I understand, this is to prevent bots from abusing the site and selling this Minecraft Earth game online for money. We do not want that, so let's follow the instructions for two apps. Download and open two apps for at least 30 seconds to get Minecraft Earth on your mobile device. Let's choose any two apps from the list, and let's follow the instructions for each app. Okay, we have to watch this video first. And that's the method, guys. And as you can see, guys, I got the email with the details. Hey there, you have successfully completed the human verification. You are now signed up for the Minecraft Earth beta, and you should be receiving another email with all the details. Peace out.